For over 30 years, PFS has specialized in the fuel additive industry and nothing but. From the very beginning, we've been driven to produce top-of-the-line fuel additives using the latest chemistry and technology available. And our Gas Plus supplement, well, it's been there from the very beginning. But it's not the same as it was then. And unlike many gasoline treatments on the market that use the same corrosive solvents or alcohols that they did 50 years ago, well, PFS is different. We use the best fuel chemistry available today, and our products are continually evolving to meet the ever-changing fuels and engines of today. Well, by now you probably know that I'm the fuel guy with Performance Fuel Specialists. And our PFS Gas Plus is not only the best gasoline detergent dispersant on the market today, but unlike most of our competition, it is also a complete formula fuel system treatment. Gas Plus thoroughly cleans the entire fuel system, including the gas tank, valves, injectors, carburetors, and the combustion chamber, and all without the use of harmful solvents or alcohols. Gas Plus also covers a wide variety of fuel-related problems, and our continuous use method is the only way to treat your fuel right. Now, one of the big changes we've seen in our fuel has been the addition of ethanol, and that is to most of the gasoline that's sold today. And while there are some benefits to using a fuel that we can grow naturally ourselves, there are some drawbacks. And that's why PFS has created our Ethanol Guardian chemistry, to protect you from the negative effects that you get from the ethanol. We now add Ethanol Guardian to all of our incredible line of gas treatments, and they'll treat up to an 85% ethanol blend. So whether you're using ethanol-based fuel or not, however, PFS has you covered. Our Ethanol Guardian helps restore some of the performance reduction that ethanol causes, and we receive an A rating for corrosion protection, the highest rating that they can give. And we can also bring the pH level of even the worst fuel to a safe level. Our Gas Plus controls the acidity of stored ethanol fuels, keeping them stable and fresh while they would normally degrade. All of our fuel treatments are also designed to remove water, a little at a time, each and every time you fuel. Plus, they contain a de-icer for winter use. This helps protect you against winter freeze-up, and removing the water helps protect against the separation of ethanol from the gasoline itself. This is called phase separation, and it is a sure way to kill your engines for good. All PFS products include a fuel stabilizer for storage, protecting you anytime your equipment sets. And we can give you the equivalent of about a 2-point increase in your octane. Plus, with our combustion enhancer technology, we can help your fuel burn more evenly and more completely in the combustion chamber. This combination gives you more performance, more power, and more economy for every gallon of fuel that you buy. And it's great for the environment. We've also included a lubricity agent to help protect those very expensive high-pressure pumps and injection systems in the new car and the old rubber components in the older vehicles. This added lubricity is excellent for toning down that humming fuel pump in your gas tank as well. And there's more. You may be able to save about 10 cents a gallon on your fuel by using PFS Gas Plus. You can generally drop 1 grade of gasoline and actually achieve better results than you would with the higher grade of fuel. Plus, you save a dime or more per gallon, and that's after you've paid for the additive. And you get the Ethanol Guardian protection. That's a bonus. More demand is placed on our fuel systems than ever before, and it is important that we treat them right every single time you start that engine. A PFS protected system always gives you the best performance and long life that your car deserves. PFS fuel additives will not void your warranty. We meet or exceed any manufacturer's recommendations and is a must for 2- and 4-cycle engines. So quickly, what do you get with Gas Plus? Well, it cleans the entire fuel system, including carburetors, injectors, valves, combustion chambers, and the fuel tanks. It also improves your performance and can allow you to drop an entire grade of gasoline. It has a combustion enhancer technology for a more complete combustion, and it helps control vapor lock. It lubricates and protects your entire system and contains no harsh alcohols or solvents. It removes the water safely. It reduces engine knock and ping. It'll reduce your emissions, plus it provides up to 50% faster starts, all while stabilizing your fuel for storage and gives you a smoother running engine every time you turn that key. PFS gas treatments are also available for marine and a lead substitute for the older vehicles. All of our gas treatments are concentrated, treating 10 gallons of fuel with only 1 ounce of product. That is 12 times as much as our competition. And our products are incredibly easy to use and measure. With the ounces on the side and a small hole in the liner, makes it easy for measuring. Just spray in what you need. Stop wasting all that money on packaging. Instead, spend it on quality product. So here's a tip for you. You know, we live in a world of confusion, and the fuel additive business is no exception. A quality fuel additive isn't about simply blowing out the carbon in a combustion chamber. Don't be taken in by the quick fix carbon blaster commercials or the miracle in a bottle. And there's no one size fits all either, where one product treats any type of fuel or any type of mechanical system. Come on, my friends, those things just don't exist. Most products like that are simply just corrosive solvents that, while they may clean aggressively, and they may even wow the consumers with their cleaning, the long-term damage done far outweighs what little benefit they create. And the thought of cracked and dried out rubber and plastic in your fuel system, or simply the premature failure of that $500 fuel pump, well, that should give anyone a desire to treat their fuel right. Do it the PFS way. Keep it clean and cared for all of the time, so you have no carbon that needs to be blasted out. And a system that is lubricated and protected each and every day, that's a win-win. Take control of your fuel system, people. Go to our website and see some of the legitimate testing data on our additives and what you can expect from PFS. And while you're there, subscribe to our free newsletter. And make sure you check out our other mini clinics with many new ones on the way. That'll give you the ability to continue to educate yourself and the best way to take care of all of your equipment. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tell a friend. At PFS, we're changing the way you treat your fuel, so get out there and treat your fuel right.